What's your name?
My name is Sweet Potato Shaw.
What are you doing there?
Playing the blues.
Can we watch?
Yes, you can.
Ooh yeah. That's what we like. Getting it nice and close. A real blues man at work. Oh yeah. That's nice. Oh yeah. That's what I like to see. That's some sexy blues. Yeah, squeak it.
Pretty sweet whammy.
Mm-hmm. That bitch, you don't run away on me. She gonna take everything that I own. She took my dog. She took my clothes. She took everything I've been working for. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, lay down. Like a railroad train come around. Oh yeah, you play it, boy. Let me see a blues face from you, my brother. Let me see the pain. Let me see the pain. Put it in my butt. You know the blues. I've seen them all my life. That woman, she's a bitch. I'm gonna cut her up and put her in the cellar. The sweet potato sauce on your name. And Adam's a homosexual. Oh yeah. What do you call that? What do you call that?
Train murder. South Alabama potato salad.
Blues?
Blues.